I don't even know how to start off my intro for this one. So he's like, hey guys. Say,
what's bopping, y'all?
Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to be bringing you an affordable skincare routine. I actually don't have on any foundation today. I do have some concealer on because my dark circles is never popping, but I just thought to bring you guys this video because a lot of people always ask me what products I use, what steps I take to get my skin clear. I can't talk. I'm going to be showing you guys that today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can see any future videos, and we're going to jump right into this video. Okay guys, so to start, I'm using this DermaE Hydrating Cleanser. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's going to help to rehydrate the skin. Hyaluronic acid is great to draw moisture into the skin. So I like to use a mix of products that, you know, have some hydrating ingredients, and then I also like to use some pore refining and like ingredients that help with balancing oil production. So I'm just cleansing my face first with that. Occasionally, about 1 to 2 times a week, I like to use this spin brush. Whether I'm using a chemical or physical exfoliant, you should only exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week because you don't want to strip your skin of its natural oils, and then you'll end up with flaky, dry skin, and you just don't want that. So I like to interchange in between, like I said, either my spin brush or my regular exfoliants. You don't want to use a spin brush too much because you don't want to cause wrinkling. And then I just rinse it off with some warm water. Once I'm done cleansing my skin, I go in with the witch hazel and a cotton pad. This is just to make sure that you don't have anything left over. It's going to help tone the skin. It's also really great to help with aging and just adding some nutrients back into the skin. And before I forget to mention, my skin is normal to dry skin, so I like to use a combination of products. Now, depending on how my skin is feeling when I do my facial mask, I'm just using this mask from Spa-scriptions. It's my first time using it. It's supposed to be like a pore refining mask. I'm using this one because lately I've been noticing that my skin has been really oily. So it all depends on how your skin is at the moment and what ingredients you're going to use. So the main ingredient in this mask is aloe, which we all know aloe is really great for multiple things. It's anti-aging. It also helps really great with sensitive skin because it kind of soothes and calms the skin. So it's really great for any redness. And this whole time I didn't even notice I had a piece of like a leftover eyeliner on my cheek. But yeah, this mask is very cooling and soothing, and I liked it. So the first step of moisturizing your skin is a serum. I use that serum from Mary Kay. It's their clear proof serum with 2% salicylic acid, so it helps with any breakouts. My skin has been oily lately, and it'll also help from future breakouts. So then I go in with this rose water. I got it from Marshall's. It was like $6. It just adds a little bit more moisture into the skin. And I don't have an inexpensive eye cream right now because I haven't had to buy a new one. So this is just something I received, so I'm not going to mention that in this video. And then I go in with the DermaE Purifying Charcoal Moisturizer, and it's also oil free, which is really great for my skin right now. But that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll put the prices and everything below, and also some other things I will recommend for you guys. Have a great one, and I love you.